Dear student, let us revise some of the important topics what we have discussed in the previous video. First one, let us revise the topic that is location. This is very important topic and you may be getting several questions. What we had studied about the latitudinal and the longitudinal extent of our country. So with regard to the latitudinal extent of our country is in between 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. So you may get the question, what are the implications of vast latitudinal extent of our country? First implication, what if you can count, that difference in between duration of day and night is hardly felt at Kanyakumari, that is 45 minutes. And as we are moving toward the north, in Jammu and Kashmir, the difference in between duration of day and night increases to 5 hours. Second implication, you know that Tropic of Cancer passes almost middle of our country. It has divided India into two parts. The southern part, that is the part, tropical part is getting maximum temperature in comparison to the northern part, that is the subtropical part of our country, because in the tropical region sun's rays are vertical, so there is maximum temperature, but in the north, in subtropical part, sun's rays are somewhat slanting. So these are the two implications of vast latitudinal extent of our country. In the same way, you may be getting another question, what are the implications of vast longitudinal extent of our country? So with regard to the longitudinal extent, it is in between 68 degree 7 minute to 97 degree 25 minute east. 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. So this is the longitudinal extent of our country. The implications are, first one, due to vast longitudinal extent of our country, we are having 30 local times, because the longitudinal extent of our country is 30 in degree, so there will be 30 local time. And what is local time? Time shown by a meridian is known as local time. Second implication, what we can count here, to eliminate the confusion of time. To eliminate the confusion of time in between different regions of our country, we have chosen one central meridian as a standard meridian, and the local time shown by this meridian is followed throughout the country as a standard time. So you can see here this meridian 82 degree 30 minute eastern meridian, this dotted vertical line is the standard meridian of our country, which passes almost through middle of India, and the local time shown by this meridian is followed throughout the country as a standard time. The third implication is that there is time lag of 2 hours, means sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh and 2 hours later in Gujarat. So this is Arunachal Pradesh, this part, and this is the state of Gujarat. So sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh and 2 hours later in the state of Gujarat. And what is the reason behind it? The reason is that, you know that what I told you earlier, that to pass through 1 degree of longitude before the sun, Earth takes 4 minutes. So to pass through 30 degree of longitude before the sun, 30 into 4 means 120 minutes. 120 minutes is equal to 2 hours. So there is a time lag of 2 hours. So these are the two, and third one also added. These are the three important implications of vast longitudinal extent of our country. Then let us discuss about, just I have told you about the standard meridian. One question is also very important here. You may get, what are the criteria that must be fulfilled by a meridian to be chosen as a standard meridian? First criteria, it must pass through the center of a country. Almost center of a country. So 82 degree 30 minute eastern longitude is passing through almost center of our country. Second criteria, it must be divisible by 7 degree 30 minute. So both these two criteria are fulfilled. So this meridian has been chosen as a standard meridian of our country. Then third, another question that we may be getting from this same topic, you may be getting question, differentiate between local time and the standard time. So first point what we can count here, that time shown by a meridian is known as local time, and time shown by a central meridian or a standard meridian is known as standard time. Second point of difference, with regard to the local time, it varies from one place to another within a country, but the standard time remains same. So these are the differences in between the local time and the standard time. Then a very simple question, you may be getting another question. Which island group of India lies to its southeast? So if you will see this map, what you will notice, we are getting Andaman and Nicobar Islands in Bay of Bengal. So this will be the answer. Same, you may be getting in the same way. Name the island which lies to the southwest. Then you will mention Lakshadweep Island. So this island is lying to the southwest of Indian coastline. Then another very important question you may be getting from the same topic. Sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but watches show the same time. How does this happen? Again, though the question is lengthy, but answer is very small one. So simply what we can say, just I have told you about the standard meridian. So simply you will write, it happens only because we have chosen one standard meridian and the local time shown by this meridian follows throughout the country. So students, these are some of the important questions that you may be getting in the exam. Several times these questions have been repeated, so you will keep in mind. Okay, again we will meet in the next video, and for the time being, goodbye.